Hello, we've logged into Discovery Education and now I'd like to show you a little bit about the navigation. There are a few helpful things that you can know about Discovery Ed. First, when you land on your Discovery Education dashboard, you will see any assignments that you've been assigned by your facilitator right here. You can also access those on the assignment tab here. And if you have multiple classes, you can toggle between your different classes on this class tab. Most of the time, that will be what you do here in Discovery Education. However, if your facilitator asks you to use Discovery Education as a research tool, for example, you can always use the search to browse different topics, such as polar bears. You'll find all kinds of content from videos to articles and more. You can filter all of these in many different ways. Here on the left, you'll see you've got different Lexile filters. You've got different grade level filters. You can filter by year, and that narrows down your content so that you can go ahead and grab what's most relevant to you. Once you see what is relevant and what you like, go ahead and click on that article. We're going to read this. And let's just pretend that I am the world's fastest reader. I've gone ahead and read this whole thing. It's perfect and I would like to keep it. I can go ahead and add it to a couple of lists so that I can access it easily later. If I add it to my quick list, it gets added right here, and you can see that number 1. So if I click, there's my new polar bear article. I can also add it to my content, where I can create a folder system much like I have on Google Drive. Go ahead and name this for later access, and I will save this in my polar bear research. And now I can always access my content through that waffle, and that article is there so that I can grab it later. So those are a few helpful things that you'll be able to find on your Discovery Ed and how you can navigate to your assignments, as well as find content, save it, and then find it again later. As always, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.